Hi Unbox, Carlo here. So today we're going to take a look at a magnetic micro USB cable, and also it's also a magnetic lightning cable for those who use iPhones. So ano siya? Basically, 'di ba, alam niyo yung charger ng MacBook? 'Di ba parang magnetic siya, yung MagSafe. So parang gagano mo lang, didikit na kagad siya, or pag-aalisin mo mabilis. So hindi sumasama yung buong laptop. So we found one particular seller in Shangri-La Mall sa pinaka-basement na nagbebenta ng magnetic cable. So how does it work? Actually, very simple. So this is what it looks like. Nakakabit na para lang makita niyo mas madali. Magnetic na siya. So yung dulo, which is yung pang-connect ng micro USB, nakakadikit na dyan. So all you have to do to connect it and to charge is to just latch on like that. And then you can easily take it out as well. So pag nag-charge siya, makita nyo umiilaw siya ng blue, or pag nakabit siya sa power outlet. Now, there are two kinds of cables. One is for micro USB, and there are also one for the lightning. Yung problema lang sa lightning cable version nila, hindi siya pwedeng reversible or up or down. So you have to find the sign na nakalagay na up, but you can easily take it out naman or whatever para lang for this one. Now, ano yung problema ng particular cable na to? Well, the good things first. The good thing is, yun nga, pag nahatak siya, hindi sasama yung telepono mo. So sabihin natin, iniiwan mo siya naka-charge sa table, tapos for some reason sumabit, at least hindi titilapon yung phone mo when it gets pulled out. Now, the problem is, sabihin natin you want to charge it with a power bank sa bag mo. Masyado siyang madalis matanggal. So usually, more often than not, when you take a look at your bag after charging or in the middle of the day, hindi na pala siya nakakabit dahil ang bilis niya mahugot. So these cables usually just work if it's for stationary charging. So sabihin natin nasa bahay, nasa office, or kahit even nasa car. But it definitely won't work if you're going to try to charge your devices in your bag while you're on the go or while in your pocket, as most Filipinos do. So this one sells anywhere from 400 to 700 pesos depending on the store that you find it in. I think yung nakita namin was at around 650 or something. Again, nakita lang namin siya sa Shangri-La, but I heard that there are some sellers also in Vera Mall who are also selling it. So with that, this is the magnetic cable. Be sure to check it out. Peace!